Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to design a t-shirt in Canva, and it's completely free and it's super easy. So if you enjoy this video, hit that like button and subscribe. So step number one would be finding some inspiration, and there's plenty of different ways to do this. You could use Pinterest, you could use Redbubble, and you could use all different kinds of things to look up inspiration for clothing, or just Google. For the sake of this video, I'm going to use Pinterest, so let's get right into it. So I really like this design with the cars, so I think we're going to do something like this. So once you get into Canva and you log in, you're going to go into print. You're going to click over and you're going to click t-shirt, and this is going to give you the perfect size for the print on a t-shirt. Now next would be to find your design. So you can either use these t-shirt templates, you can use Canva elements, which are very good resources that Canva offers, but I'm going to use my own Google searches. So I found this photo and I'm going to use some of these cars down at the bottom here, and what I'm going to do is I moved my photo from Google into Photopea, and now I'm going to remove the background. And if you don't know what Photopea is, it is Photoshop but for free and online. So I'm going to use the magic wand tool and select the whole white area. I'm going to rasterize, which it already is, and I am going to backspace out all this white space. And I just removed some of the other cars, so I picked the bottom three, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to export as a PNG. Now we're going to head over to Canva, and I am going to insert this. So I'm going to go upload. I'm going to click upload files, and we're going to upload the file that we just created. And here we are. While I was messing around with the filters, I found one that I really liked better. It would be this one. It's called Latte in the Warm section of the filters. Now all I did was look for some text. I found this little template. I added classic in the words Porsche, and now I'm going to search for a logo. Now I found my logo. I'm going to drag it up into my Photopea again to remove this background. And once the background is removed, go up into File, Export as PNG once again. Then I'm going to go up and I'm going to click on my image and I'm going to click Edit. I'm going to head into Filters once again, and I'm going to pick the same that I have on the cars. Then log in and make an account on Printify, open up a t-shirt design, new upload my device, and you add your file to the library. And now you can build it on here, place it on a t-shirt however you like, and you can preview so you can see exactly how it's going to look. So I hope this helped you guys, and if you'd like a more in-depth tutorial on how to do some of these specific designs, let me know. If you want to see more Photopea, more Canva, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching.